Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can add your payment term on TranZact. So you need to go to all modules. Now here you will get an option of settings. Click on settings. Now once you will click on setting, please click on accounts. Now in accounts you will get an option of payment term. So each and every organization do have their own payment term related to their buyer or supplier. So this is an option where you can go ahead and add a payment term, and then after you can use the same while creating the document. So here on your right hand side, please check, you will get an option of add payment term. So it is related to 90 days. So what I will do, I will just put a name net 90. Now going below, I can go ahead and mention the description. If not, I can go ahead and just mention the days. So this particular payment term is for 90 days. So I will click on save. Always remember that this net 30, net 60, net 90, in such cases, the days will be mentioned here. After that, I can go ahead and use it while creating the document. I can edit or delete the payment term from these three dots. Click on this, and then from here you can go ahead and edit the payment term, or you can quickly just go ahead and delete this particular payment term also. Just last for the confirmation, click on yes, and the payment term will get deleted. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to add or delete your payment term. Have a good day ahead.